All right. I finally got these in. They've been sold out in the USA for over a month now, but I finally got them. We're going to be taking a look at the Luke Littler Edge darts that were part of the Target Darts December launch. So I have them in 24 gram. I don't know if you can see it there. There we go. 95% tungsten. And this is my first time taking a look at them, so let's see what we got. So fancy box, yellow on the inside. Comes with custom Tacoma case. And under the foam here, we have the darts themselves. Couple other items it comes with. If we look under the case here, we have a Swiss point tool and some longer tips. But let's look at the darts themselves. So we got these guys. They got kind of a grippy front end there, or grippy point with some grooves in it. And then that is a pretty cool pattern there, if you can see it. It's got kind of diagonal cuts with all sorts of milling in there. Makes it a decently grippy dart. And then we move on to the custom Nuke Edge K-Flex. So that's what that is. I'm going to set these up with the longer points just because I know that Luke Littler uses some longer points. So if we want to compare that, definitely got some more length on the extra points that come with it. So why don't I get these set up and we'll take a look at them in the way I'll be playtesting them. All right, and we are back. We're going to take a look at the assembled Luke Littler Edge Dart. All I did with this was put the longer points that came with them on it. So you can take a look. We got a nice long point there. Got the grooves in it for a little extra grip into the board. We got the really nice new cut pattern, milling pattern. Says the Nuke there in the middle. Very grippy dart. Probably put this one at about 3.5 to 4 out of 5 on the rating scale. And then we also have the new K-Flex. I did want to compare this to one of Luke Littler's actual darts. These are the darts that he uses, and you can find that. I did a review on these as well. Looking at them comparatively, they're pretty much the same length. The shafts this one comes with are a little bit shorter, as you can see. Barrel length is the same, and these are the long points, just like Luke Littler's. So that'd be the 42 millimeter. So they're all about the same, just a little different on the flights, a little different on the grip. So only thing left to do with these guys is playtest them, so we'll get to that right now. So like all my playtests, I'm going to start with 6 darts at the bowl. Throwing these darts is really nice. I enjoy the grip on them a lot. As you saw earlier, they are a lot more grippy than the standard Luke Littler dart. They have about the same barrel length, but the grip pattern with that diagonal cross-cut milling is really a lot more grippy than the pixel cut on Littler's original. I like the way they fly. They're going mostly where I want them to. As you see, those were all pretty much in the bowl. Now I'm going to move up to the 2020, throw 6 more darts, and see how we do. Overall, these darts are nice. 95% tungsten is obviously really good quality. I like the grip on them. Standard straight barrel isn't quite the shape that I like, but I have no complaints about it. If you want a nice set of darts to throw that are also a good collector item, these are a great set to grab. So if you have them, why don't you send me a comment, let me know what you think, and we can discuss.